What is up, YouTube? Welcome back to Brutally Honest. This is my very first request video. I had someone message me. I actually had two dudes from this band message me without knowing the other one had. So I'm excited to listen to this. I do personally know one of the guys in this band, but that's not going to stop me from being honest about this. That's what this whole page is about. Me and him have, we're not like tight, we're not like bros, but we know each other, we talk to each other, we've been in the music scene together. He's always the one throwing down the hardest at my shows that I've played. He's a great dude, and I respect his opinion and what he says just on Facebook and his whole vibe that I get from him whenever, he's just doing his normal thing and I'm not around him. So I like the dude. And this is his band. He plays guitar in this band, but I'm still going to be honest. And the other guy who messaged me, I just know he's in the band because his YouTube page had this band on it. And so I don't even know what he does in the band, but I'm going to listen to this and I'm going to be honest about it. And that's it. Let's see what it sounds like. So we got like a little visualizer. I like that. That's what I was waiting for. I don't know about this riff as a chorus, I'm not sure if that's the chorus, but I feel like it was repeated the same way, vocally and instrumentally. So, it kind of grooves. This background thing animated or not? It looks animated, but it also looks real and just like edited. I know that ain't nowhere around here. That's out of nowhere. I thought I was hearing it outside of it. It sounded a lot different in my headphones. Oh yeah. I like the way the drums did that like slow down kick for this. See, I'm not really into riffs like this, but I'm into riffs like that. Oh, I thought it was about to end. Yo, go check out their iTunes and Apple and Spotify. I like this, just like a vibe. Slow fade. I like the logo too. Logo's tight. All right. That was cool. You know, I'm not really into like the Rings of Saturn style, you know, tappity riffs, but that's all good. You know, there was other stuff in here that I really liked. It could really, in my opinion, you know, it could benefit from some better production as well. I had another video that it's actually may not be out whenever this video comes out. I'm not sure, but that the production was part of what, you know, made it less enjoyable. And like I said, as a starting up band, really this band's not starting up. This band has been around, you know, longer than I've been in bands. This band is a very, very long running band around here. But still, you know, as a local and you got jobs and everything else, you know, this you gotta it costs a lot of money to get stuff produced, you know. So I don't know, it's like it was almost like the guitars weren't like out enough, weren't chunky enough. I don't know what exactly I'm thinking. Let me see. Let me go back over here somewhere. It's not a good example either. See, they sound fine there, so maybe I'm tripping. I really like that part. But there's just something there. I don't even know what it is. Maybe the cymbals and the drums are too high, and that's what's causing me to like something in this is not right to me. Like it's real close. Maybe the cymbals are too high, and maybe they're fake. Cymbals might be fake, so that could be part of it. But song-wise, there's a lot of good stuff in here. I like the vocals, the structure of it. You know, it's okay. It could have been better, but I'm not trying to be a complete ass about it. There's, you know, like typically I don't like riffs like that either, but I like that. And then this kind of seems out of nowhere. So but overall, good riffs, good sound. Maybe the production could be a little bit better. That's really all I have to say negative about it. Some riffs that aren't my style, but they're fine. So make sure you go check these guys out, Sons of Thunder. And make sure to go to all their links they have here on the screen. It says debut single. That must be debut single for this album, because I know that they have another album from way back that some of the guys have, you know, talked to me about that I've never heard, because this band was around even before I was doing music here. And I never, maybe I got to see them play once, and they've been together, but just not active, I guess. And now they're doing stuff again. I'm hyped about that. I'm glad they're doing stuff again. You know, you don't ever want to give up on your dreams or your passion for music, even if it's not your dream to make a career out of it. Just keep doing it. And so I'm glad that they're doing it. But that's all for this episode. I'll catch y'all next time.